What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply an extra layer of protection to your site, how to scan for malware, how to remove, how to clean up, apply a security firewall, and banish bad traffic or bad intentional people from your site. All of this for free into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to the keyword field, you're gonna see the search plugins field. You're gonna type right here Malware, just like this, and we're gonna be installing this plugin right here, Malware WordPress Security Plugin, Malware Scanner, Cleaner, Security Firewall. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're going to be redirected to the plugins list, a list of your WordPress where you can see all of your plugins. But if you review once again the left sidebar of menus, next to settings, you're going to be able to see a new button called Malware. Okay? After creating your account on Malware platform, you're going to receive an email asking to verify your email address. This is very important to make the plugin work. So the email is just like this with this link. You must click on this link in order to verify your account. Okay? Now, when you go back to the plugin page, to your WordPress dashboard, you're going to be into this page right here, where you can see some important things about the plugin and a field asking you to enter with your email address, okay? You're going to be requested to enter your account to request your site. And after this, creating the account, remember to verify the email address, okay? Most verify it, and you're gonna be able to load your site. Now the site's connected, they are loading information about the site, and you're gonna be able to see all of the important parts of the site right here. And of course, if you go back to your WordPress dashboard, you're going to be able to see reports of your site firewall just like this. Let's wait while the site loads and we come back for showing more information. Directly on your WordPress dashboard, the connection is made and you can see all of the information. And if you go to the Malware dashboard, you can see the site is clean and the firewall is enabled. You can see important information about your site. You can enable some experiments. You can even connect your Google Analytics in the case that you want to get more data. But as you can see right here, total attacks blocked, served load reduced, total files scanned, and you can see lots of good information about our site, and it is now automatically loading protection and security firewall on your site for free. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or sites.gallery, a place where you can submit your site to promote it for free. The growth.net, a place where you can promote your sites for free and receiving your blog for publishing and receiving guest posts. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites, in addition with your premium blogs, assets, plugins, templates, tools, and many more pro features. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.